Now we are discussing about making money options. In that today we are discussing about deliver for Postmates. You can earn some cash when you are in dire straits by using Postmates, and you don't even need a car, just a bike for deliveries in busier cities and downtown centers. I have used it often to get food from specialty places that don't deliver themselves, but it can be used for many things. Postmates states on their website that you could earn up to $200 per hour doing deliverables. You could also earn some tips in the process, so it is a great option for people that are looking to do something in their spare time, similar to the big ride sharing apps that are hogging up mobile app stores everywhere. This is the information regarding deliver for Postmates. This is also one of the money making option. You can according to your choice and your will, you can do it. Wishing you all the best.